We have two more examples of logarithmic expressions and how we can manipulate them around using the logarithmic properties. So we're going to start on this first example with log to the base 3 of 7x squared divided by y and see how we can expand that expression. So I'll start with the top, and I can have for that log to the base 3 of 7 plus log to the base 3 of x squared. And then the denominator on the bottom we can subtract log to the base 3 of y. Now the middle expression, x squared, I can expand that a little more. I have an exponent of 2. So I can put on that 2 times log base 3 of x. The other things remain the same. And there we've expanded this expression into a really an expanded set of expressions. Okay, on this one here we're going to go the other way. We're going to see if we can condense this expansion into a more condensed expression. So I can see I've got, these are additive, so that's going to turn into a product. And then we have subtract, which is going to be a division or a denominator. So if I start with these, I have log of 2, and here this 3 on the outside, I can convert that to an exponent on the inside. So I have log of 3 cubed. I took the number outside. I'm doing the expansion in reverse now to condense it. And then minus log of 9. Alright, now I'm adding these two so I can make that a product. So I end up with a log of 2 times 3 cubed minus log of 9. Alright, now I've got this subtraction. I can make that into a division. So what I end up with there is the log of 2 times 3 cubed divided by 9. And that's the condensed expression for this. Two more examples for expanding logarithm expressions and condensing them. The first example we have, we're going to expand. We're given this condensed logarithmic expression. To expand it, we can look at the denominator. We have 7y cubed, so that would be the same as log of 7 plus log of y cubed. And actually, when you have an exponent, remember we can put it to the outside. So we end up with log of 7 plus 3 times log of y. And that's the top. And then for the denominator, we're going to subtract. So I'll start with the top. We have log of 7 plus 3 times log of y minus log of 4 minus log of x squared. And then the x squared, the squared can go on the outside again, so we'll just put the 2 out here, log of x. And that's our expanded expression for this. Alright, now let's look at condensing an expression. And here we have, instead of log, we have ln. Well, by the way, since we don't have the base defined here as some number, we assume it's 10, the common logarithm. And down here in ln, we would assume that the logarithmic base is e, natural number. Now to condense this, we're adding these two, so that becomes a product. And we're subtracting this, that becomes a denominator. So we have natural log of 3 times, well, in this part here, the 2 times log of x, it becomes log of x squared. Remember, the denominator, when we expand it, it goes on the outside. So going in the reverse direction, we have log of x squared. So we have the natural log of 3 plus the natural log of x squared. And when we add those two, it's the same as taking the product inside. And then we have minus log of y, which makes that a divisible. I'll start out, I'll just say log of y. So then I'll reduce that to natural log of 3x squared divided by y. So that's how I condense this expression into this.